Here I would show you CUESOUL 57-inch Rockin' Series Maple Pool Cue Stick Kit. At first glance they are really very nice looking. Weight available in 19, 20 and 21 ounces. Come with butt and shaft protector, billiard towel, and a blue carry bag. Butt made of imported dried hardwood, shaft made of hand-selected and kill-dried Canadian maple wood. 4 color models. Irish linen wrap makes more grip. Graphics with skulls and flowers are super sharp and nice finished. The actual 15 taper on the shaft felt fine. Stainless steel joint collar with 5/16 18 teeth pin gives a rock solid hit. The ferrule and tip fit perfectly. The cue comes standard with a glued-on layered leather 13mm tip, medium hardness. Tip is shaped properly, just need some scuffing and picking so that it would hold chalk properly. Tested both butt and shaft separately, all parts are straight as an arrow. Then assembled the whole piece. Cue stick is still perfectly straight. On the table, the cue just sounded and felt right during both hard and soft shots. Well, it is really a great cue at a decent price, ideal for home play or billiard club. Also can be a nice choice as gift for friends.